Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the 13-piece SODAY cookware set, a game changer for your kitchen crafted from premium-grade aluminum. These pots and pans are designed to withstand the rigors of daily cooking while remaining lightweight for your convenience. This set includes everything you need, from a grill pan and sauté pan to a stock pot and saucepans, all featuring a top-class harder non-stick granite material that ensures long-lasting durability and exceptional non-stick properties. With its non-PFOS and PFOA design, you can cook healthy and safe meals effortlessly, and cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water. Whether you're using gas, electric, or induction cooktops, this non-stick cookware set works flawlessly on any surface. The durable aluminum core ensures rapid and even heat distribution, providing efficient and precise culinary results every time. Elevate your cooking experience with the SODAY 13-piece cookware set and enjoy the perfect blend of style, functionality, and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.